Kivik, what is the sound of A? What is the long sound? A vowel or consonant? Vowel. Good. What is the sound of the B? Vowel or consonant?
Consonant.
Good. What is the sound of the C?
Kaka.
Good. Consonant or vowel?
Consonant.
Good. What is the sound of the D?
D.
Consonant or vowel?
Consonant.
Well done. Is E vowel or consonant?
Vowel.
Good. What is long sound? Well done. What is the sound of this? Is it vowel or consonant?
Consonant.
Well done. What is the sound of this one? Good. Consonant or vowel?
Consonant.
Well done. What is the sound of H? Ha. Okay. Vowel or consonant?
Consonant.
Is I a vowel or consonant?
Vowel.
Good. Does it have two sounds?
Yeah.
What is a short sound? Good. Long sound? Good. What is the sound of J? J. Good. Vowel or consonant?
Consonant.
Well done. What is the sound of K? Well done. What is the sound of L? Perfect. Is it a vowel or consonant?
Consonant.
Well done. What is the sound of M? Well done. Is it a vowel or consonant?
Consonant.
Perfect. What is the sound of N? Well done. Vowel or consonant?
Consonant.
Perfect. Is O vowel or consonant?
Vowel.
Good. How many sounds it will have?
2.
Short sound? Long sound? Perfect. What is the sound of P? Pa. Perfect. Vowel or consonant?
Consonant.
Good. What is the sound of Q?
Q.
Qua. What is the sound of R? What is the sound of S? Good. Sound of T? Perfect. Is U vowel or consonant? Say long sound? Good. V vowel or consonant?
Consonant.
Sound? V. Well done. W sound? X sound? Good. So
Yeah,
Y
yeah,
sound?
yeah. Yeah.
Y sound?
Z sound. And zebra.
Well done.
Zebra.